Today we will discuss how you can solve this problem. First, when we click next, then sometimes this problem comes up. You are not signed in. Then when we click on try again, it says processing, please wait. To solve this problem, we will cross the tab. The main tab will go away. And then we will reload this page. Then I will wait for some times for the problem to require. The problem is requiring now. We will click next. Now you will be asked for a verification. My account is logged in my phone. For that I need to verify it on my phone now. Your problem will be resolved after verification is complete. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.